So when I was asked to have an exhibition at the RAL Mostyn, it seemed quite appropriate for me to make it about the series of donkey prints that I've been making for the last 10 years as a sort of celebration of those 10 years and it's a retrospective of how the work has evolved. It's a kind of strange process of the donkey pictures. I hadn't set out to do a great big body of work based on donkeys and this sort of strange world that they live in, but I did a print to start with called Donkeys Disturbed by a Meteor Shower, and it just some light bulbs turned on in my head, and I just thought I quite like this idea of creating this world where donkeys are celebrated, where they're having adventures, where they're getting into trouble, where they're having fun, and they're not bothered by human beings in the way that they are in the real world. I also don't really feel like donkeys are celebrated much in the art world or in life generally, so I feel like I'm sort of celebrating them, I'm championing them, I guess. So yeah, the body of work is a selection of prints from the last 10 years, and I've done a print based on that Donkeys Disturbed by a Meteor Shower, which the original edition sold out a long time ago, but I've done it as a new screen print, a new version of it, which is a lot bigger than the original, to show the old and new at the same time, I guess.